Hey guys, back at it again with another video. So today's video is going to be just a few outfits for the fall that I'm actually going to style myself. To start things off, I'm going to be breaking down 3 outfits and we're just going to talk about them, and it's going to be 3 outfits I'm wearing for fall. So enough bullshit, let's get right into it. The first one is a piece from Thread Beast that I got, and it is this like purple button up short sleeve shirt, and it has some cool patterns on it. The Thread Beast unboxing where I did it blindfolded, go ahead and check that out. The link will be in the bio. And I went ahead and styled this, but this is really a summer shirt. So what I went ahead and did is I took this shirt and I took a black long sleeve and I just threw it right under. So I went ahead and threw that on, and then I took these like skating dickies I have and just wore them. Then I threw this gray beanie on with it just to add a little bit of contrast into the colors, because it was black pants with a black long sleeve. So I wanted the gray just to kind of like throw something in there between the purple and the black. And then I threw in these like beaded up old skate highs just to kind of like add a little skater look to it. The second fit, guys, is a more of an athletic fit, but it also has a little bit of like Yonkers style to it. Track pants from Adidas, thrifted, probably got them for like less than $5. Just the Adidas stripes all the way down. So those are the pants. I mean, not much to them. Rocked just a gray t-shirt, under the whole outfit, because it just kind of added a little bit of diversity in the colors as well. And then over the t-shirt we have this red windbreaker. It's super cool. It has a kangaroo pouch right here, 2 pockets, half quarter zip going up the middle, and then the hood, of course. Inside the lining is purple, inside the hood's purple as well. It's just a super dope fire piece, because I do like red, and red is a good staple piece to have for a windbreaker. I have had these red athletic shoes for a while. I just bought them super cheap just to wear to the gym. But I went ahead and paired this because the red with the windbreaker and the Adidas stripe on the pants just really tied the whole outfit together. So to top the whole thing off though, we rock this bucket hat that really throws in the whole outfit, because this really defines what the whole style is. Honestly, it still goes with this fit. Damn, shit. But I'm actually gonna wear that tomorrow, so that joint gonna go. The third fit, guys, is this outfit I'm wearing right now. So you can see I just have some chains on it, you know, just to throw something in on the crew neck. So we do got the black beanie, a cropped beanie. You know what I mean? It's really just a folded up beanie. It's not even a cropped beanie, but you gotta do what you gotta do. So the yellow crew neck. But what I did is I tucked it in to my pants. So you have this this cool belt, of course. I don't know, what do you call this belt? What do you call this? A double hold belt, like washed dark denim American Apparel jeans that I thrifted for super cheap. I got the Air Forces on, of course, right? And then I got these Maple Leaf socks on, you know, reppin' Toronto, rep Canada, Maple Leaves. You know what they are, but I'm calling them Maple Leaves for this channel. So those are some 3 fits that I'm really trying to throw into my wardrobe for this fall. Trust me, I have a lot of outfits for this fall. Thank you so much for watching. Definitely leave a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this, because it's super easy just to put 3 outfits together for a video, post it out for a week, and show you guys what I'm rocking. So definitely follow me on Instagram. Check me out there. Don't even follow me on Snapchat, because Snapchat dead, dog. Alright guys, and I'll see you guys on the next video.